Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new, I'm Febrith, and today I'm really excited because I have my first ever Magic Delivered box. This is the quarterly subscription that I've signed up for. It looks like this. Got a big hole in it, so I hope nothing's fallen out. I signed up for the quarterly box from Magic Delivered and the bi-monthly box from Wizarding Trunk, just to try them out for a while, see how I get on with them. But I must admit, I am really itching to get inside this. I've no idea what the theme is. It's been quite a while actually since I signed up, and if they ever told me, then it's gone in one ear and out the other. Completely forgotten. So it is a mystery box. I gave up with the Wizarding Crate, the Wizardry Crate from House of Wizardry, because that one that I was getting monthly didn't really blow my socks off. So let's see how we get on with this. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Interesting. Does that say Poppins? As in Mary, maybe? Well, let's see. Oh my god, is that an umbrella? Whoa, 1 second. All right, well, for sure, this is an umbrella. That's exciting. I mean, I have quite a few umbrellas already, but you can never have too many, right? Okay, so it looks like it's going to be a button thing. And it is interesting. What on earth? It's going to be huge. All right, hold on. Okay, it's enormous. Poppins Parasol Tours. Oh my god, that's adorable. I love that. Mary Poppins. All right then. That's cool, right? And it's a really big one. So yeah, you can fit 2 people under here easily. That's brilliant. Is it magical? Well, kind of, yeah. If you're into Mary Poppins, it's a bit of a beast to put away. All right, that's brilliant. That's fun, and it's excellent quality. I can tell you straight away. It's it's hefty in the hand. It's not a flimsy one, so hopefully it won't get blown inside out in the dreadful British weather. Although I have to say, for the last week here, it's been spectacularly sunny, like 17 degrees C, to the point where I can see out of my window some people down the road about 4 doors are having an extension built, and they've got builders out there with no shirts on, which is very unpleasant. There should be a law against it. Okay, so this is the cheat sheet, so I won't read that. Let's move on to the next item. Right, we've got some stickers. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're going travel themed here. Anti-jet lag. Those are fun. I love it. I will show you close-ups of all of this. Oh yeah, by the way, I did order some extras at the same time as ordering this box, so I'll show you those at the end. And I've just remembered seeing this Egypt sticker has just reminded me that I got an Egypt badge. So that's cool. All right, next thing. What on earth is even that? Okay, it's a wooden something or another. Is it a pencil holder? Oh my god, it's a toothbrush. Okay, that's cool. For all those times that I leave home and go away, there's some writing on it which I can't read, so let me put my clever specs on. Okay, even the glasses didn't do it. It says, a brush before you flush. We here at the Ministry care about your oral health. Remember, brush on your way into the office. Okay, going into the office, cleaning your teeth. There's even little marks on this. You won't be able to see it on this camera, but I'll show you close up at the end. So, okay, so we have a travel toothbrush, which is actually quite cute, right? All right, moving on. Okay, next we have a World Association apparition something or another. Is this a passport holder, do you think? Let's get it open. Okay, non-magical transportation documents. Oh my god. Wand out, step forward, travel safe. Look at that. So, yeah, and there's even... Oh, there's like room for your cards and whatnot down here. And then this... I'm assuming that this is for passports. It says, if found, please return to the London office of non-magical transit. Cute. Okay, loving that thing. All right, next, it looks like we've got a t-shirt. Oh, we do. All right, then. This I love. That was one of the things from the Wizardry Crate that I could never get behind was their t-shirts. They were pretty awful, honestly. Not awful, but, you know, good quality, but the printing was bad and not very exciting. This, however, check it out. That's exciting to me massively. I love it. Never been to Egypt. Would love to one day. That is super nice. Is there anything on the back? Nope. Back is blank, as are the sleeves. But I love the colour. And it doesn't look too big. That's cool. Okay then. We're rattling through this box. Next. Oh, luggage. Okay, this is really nice. I'm going home, it says. Oh my god, there's the Hogwarts Express on there. The bridge, the water, the lake. Oh my god, I love it. That's beautiful. And then, there we are. Nifty. Ooh, this box is brilliant. Okay, now we've got something. I have no clue what this is. Get it open. Wash bag, maybe? Oh my goodness, it is. It's like, it's a wash bag and there's another bag inside it. And it's got the train, it's got the broom, it's got Hagrid's motorbike. Oh my goodness, look at that. And then here's the big version. So you could have one for your cosmetics and one for your actual toothbrush that you've just got, etc. That's nice, right? Okay, we're at the end. There's just 2 items left, and one of them is Ursula Black's highest quality cups and saucers, magical ceramics. Look at that. What a beautiful box that is. Trusted in tea rooms across the magical world. Okay, let's have a look. It looks like it might be a pretty small teacup. Okay, now look, I'm British. When we have a cup of tea, we don't have... I'll show you a normal cup. Hold on. Okay, so here's a normal cup. It's got gadgets in it. And here is the new cup. What? Is this for espresso, which is honestly disgusting, and I don't know how people drink it. But anyway, it's a very, very tiny little cup with a rather charming saucer, it has to be said. That is really rather beautiful. It's got the flue flames, and it's got the car, it's got a broom, it's got Hagrid's bike, it's got it all. And then this looks like a train track with the train. That's so cool. Okay then. Well, it's very small. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, honestly. Find somewhere to put it. And then there's one more mystery box in here. Okay then. Anti-jet lag elixir. Magical recovery even after non-magical travel. Okay, that's cool. Look at that. It's like a baby cup. I think they're called sippy cups, aren't they? Maybe? I don't know. I've never had one. Well, not since I was, 1, maybe. But yeah, that's cute. That is cute. And at least it won't spill everywhere, hopefully. Now I've got to work out how you actually... There you go. That's how you get the lid off. Just pop it up. I'm sure that's commonly known to everybody. And inside, it's like a flask, so it'll be hot or cold. It'll keep your beverage however you want it. That is nifty. Plus, there's measurements in there too. Sorry about the noise in the background. Hold on a second and I'll show you the reason why. This is Watson. He and Sherlock are wriggly little monsters. They're now 2.5 months old and full of beans, and literally nothing gets done in this house anymore because of them. I mean, you get it. Anyway, he's playing in the box with all the wrapping and so forth. Okay, let me show you close-ups of all of these things and the extras that I purchased on the website. Okay, let's go through these things one at a time. So first of all, here are the stickers, which I absolutely love. They are so nice. I do have a Harry Potter trunk, so these can go on there and make it look like I've actually been somewhere. They are really cool, right? Love them. So nice. The toothbrush, obviously, there's the writing on it. It is pretty wee. And quite faint, but it's there. And here's your brush. And that has... I don't know what this is. It looks like 2 glasses. I'm sure somebody will tell me what it actually is. Actually, tell you what, let's have a look at the cheat sheet. Come on, Darkstar, it's not that difficult. Right then. This is my first time doing this, remember? Let's have a look, see what it says. So, travel toothbrush and case to ensure successful journey. Tick every box, including that breath. All right then. Okay, doesn't really give us much information, but it's nice. And the wee little cup and saucer set, that's supposed to be tiny. It says, where are we? Introducing the 2025 item series. Each box will include a brand new exclusive teacup designed for the theme. Artwork by the talented Vicky of Forensics and Flowers. That's a cool name for your company, Vicky. And this is really, look at the flue, powder, flames. There's the car, broom, the bike, and this is just lovely, right? Oh, that is so cute. Honestly, I don't know if I want a whole series of them. What am I going to do with them all? I can't think right now. I have no room on my shelves, but I'll think about it. Then we have the travel wallet thingy. It says, let's see, Apparition Passport Wallet. Travel Companion will keep your important stuff safe. It even includes RFID protection. So that's cool if you do put any cards in here. And look at these stamps. That is brilliant, right? I love the way that this has been produced. It is really good quality. I like that a lot. All right, moving on. Here's your luggage tag. Going home luggage tag. Identifying your belongings will be a breeze unless you decide to travel light. That is lovely. I really like that. That's going on my suitcase too. And then we've got these wash bags, and about those it says zippered luggage organizers. These will make packing easier and keep your possessions and potions in order. Well, I never thought about putting potions in there, but yeah. Cool. I mean, look at this thing. It's even got the port key. That is really nice attention to detail on this. Love. And they seem also good quality and waterproof, so that's useful. And then we've got the mug here. So this is the anti-jet lag travel mug. Keep your potions or coffee at just the right temperature. Not sure about the jet lag, but it will keep you hydrated. Very, very nice. I'm into it. Look at all this on the back. Let me just quickly show you inside so that you can see the measurements in there. Nifty. Okay, and then we have the brolly, which I'm not going to open up again. It's a witch's umbrella, it says. Simply put, every witch needs their trusty umbrella. How you use it's up to you. Well, I think this is charming. And I love the fact that it's Mary Poppins too. See the magical world in the most delightful way. Oh my God, now I want to sing. That is lovely. So nice. Okay, Poppins tours. And then finally, we have the t-shirt. Come to Egypt, discover ancient curses, tour the pyramids, meet a sphinx. And down here, Ron. Brilliant. Loads of old stuff. Oh my God, I love that. Right, let me show you the little extras that I purchased. All right, so here's the pin that goes with the t-shirt. I mean, look at that. Isn't that absolutely stunning? I have no room on my board for it, but I don't care. I bought it anyway just because I loved it so much. And the same goes for this from the Magical Born Sisters. This little key and cup and teapot. Super nice little pin. And then finally this one, also from Muggleborn Sisters. And this is a Honeydukes, and inside we've got sweets. The other thing that I purchased is this spoon set, and it's got Greenhouse 3 on here. You won't be able to see, the reflection is mental. And then there's a little mandrake in a pot there. Let me see if I can make it focus. Oh, you can, I think, barely see that. And there's also a little bit of writing on here. It says property of pea sprout. And this one says return to Greenhouse 3. These are lovely. I have another set. Hold on. Got a feeling these came from Litjoy, and look at the difference. I mean, these are really very ornate, right? And these are very simple, but I think they're both exquisite and I love them. And this is a worthy addition to my herbology shelf. So that's everything that came from Magic Delivered. I am very happy to continue with this subscription. I love this box. Do let me know what was your favourite item. I'm torn between the brolly, the t-shirt, this mug, which I adore. And I mean, you know, a toothbrush is a toothbrush and a cup is a cup. But the stickers are pretty fabulous as well. Okay, I'm going to leave it here, call that the end of this video. Say thank you so much for watching. Bye.